Hi and welcome to another tutorial. In today's lesson we'll learn how to recreate this cool looking digital interactive flipbook using Publuu.com. So anyways guys, let's jump in. So in this tutorial you will learn how to easily create an ebook using Publuu.com. You can turn any PDF into a stunning digital flipbook with realistic page turn effects, interactive hotspots and mobile friendly reading. Once you've completed your ebook, you can then share your ebook online and you can also track user engagement. So it all sounds pretty cool, so now let's look at how it actually works. The first thing that you'll need here is you'll need to have some kind of PDF document. So I'm just using this layout I created in InDesign, and if you're curious on how to create a layout like this, I created a tutorial a few videos back if you want to check that out. Once you have your layout created in InDesign, all you need to do is go to File, Export and export it as a PDF, and then we'll take it to Publuu.com. So here we are at Publuu.com, and the cool thing with Publuu.com, if you want to follow along with this tutorial, is that you can start free for 14 days with a free account. So they are giving 14 days of free access to try out their software. If you want to have a look at their prices, you can see their prices all there. So once you've made an account and you've signed in, this is your first screen that you'll be greeted with. The first thing that we are going to do is upload our PDF to Publuu. So once your document has been uploaded, you can see what it looks like inside the website. So you can see it already has that real cool page turning effect, and we're going to make it look even better than that by adding some interactive elements to it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at this toolbar on the left hand side. We are going to change the name and description. So if we call our document, let's say Golden Vibes, and Simon the Cat for our description. So now when you go share and you look at what the link will look like, you can see the name down there. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to have a look at backgrounds. Now you can choose a solid color for your background. You can choose a theme that they already have so many different presets on there. So this is the one that I used in the intro video, so I'm going to run with that again, but you feel free to have a look and explore all of their options over there. And if you want, you can even add your own image in here. You can add a logo in here very easily. All you have to do is click on the button add logo, and once your logo uploads, then you can see it in the top right hand corner. You can even add your icons to this as well if you are sending it as a web link, which looks very cool. So other things in here, you can change any of the menu items that you like or you don't like in your digital flipbook. You can also change the privacy settings as well. So right now I've got mine set to public. You can add a password protection to your ebook as well. And something that is really cool is there is also this lead form which allows you to collect their email addresses before they can view the ebook as well. So that's looking pretty cool. The table of contents, you can add your own table of contents in here as well as preferences. There are some really cool effects in here. For example, if you only want it to be single page, you can change that up as well. Or what I really like is adding this hard cover to the front page, and I think that looks pretty cool. And you can set it to autoplay if you want, to whatever timings that you need. So that's a quick rundown on these menu items over here, but now let's go to the fun stuff. So if we go to add hotspots, now we can start to add our interactivity inside of our ebook. So the menu bar at the top has changed. The first thing that you can do in here is add a link if you like. So for example, if you want to go to a website, you can have that as a simple link in there. And then if you want to change the styles or anything like that, you can change the colors here as well. So I'm just going to change the color to something that is within my color palette, and I can put the link wherever I like. So that's the first thing with links. So now let's move on to adding other components to this digital flipbook. So I purposely left an area here so that I can add a YouTube tutorial in there. Now to do this, it's quite simple. All you need to do is add a video and it will ask you for the link. So here is my link, and all I need to do is just paste that in. And now I have a working video that will also work in your digital flipbooks as well. So now that page is looking very interactive and very cool. So now we'll move on and we'll see what else we can do in here. So now I've got, sometimes you want to have, like a preview of your products and things like that. And with Publuu.com, you can easily integrate your products within your document. So to do that, all you need to do is click on this product icon over here. And then if you go down and let's just, copy it a few times so we can have 4 of these. And then I'll show you how easy it is to change all of them once you've got it all going. So in here, you can change all the details and things like that. But what I'm more interested in is this photo section over here. So I can add a photo in here. And once your photo is, good, then all you have to do is, if you want to change the style or anything like that, but it's already remembered my color palette from before. So I'm pretty happy with that. So now you can go in and you can choose, different photos for different things. And once you're happy with all of them, then we can move on to the next segment. So the final bit here is now, so again, I've left a bit of space blank because I want to show you how easy it is to edit within Publuu. And if we need to add a photo in there, all I need to do is go to the photo section and then upload my photo. Now, once your photo is uploaded, now you can just drag it in and position it however you like. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I still have a bit of space at the bottom to add in another photo or something else. So what I wanted to show you is some of the other options over here, like for example, the GIF library. So the GIF library has its own set of already pre-made assets that you can use. So for example, if you need to have like an icon that looks like that, that's pretty cool. So you can go through and you can play around with some of these settings if you want. But what I did is I went to this website, which is called Lottie Files. And Lottie Files are basically small little animations that are very useful for websites. And all I did is I was able to download this design as a GIF file, and then I was going to upload it back into Publuu.com. So to do that, all you need to do is just click this button to upload your GIF. And once you've uploaded it, now you can see it in there. You just have to make sure that it's on a transparent background. So when I preview this, it will be white in there as well. So you can play around with some of the sizes and things like that. And then if you want to, add anything else, you can as well. So there are also a sound effects kind of area over here where you can add your own audio files and things like that. And when you're happy with everything, then you can preview your product. So this is what the preview looks like with our links embedded. So our first page, there wasn't any hotspots in there. Our second page has our video in there ready to go. Our third page has all of our products in here, and you can see how professional that is. And then our final page has our embedded image as well as our GIF from Lottie Files. So anyways guys, that's it for this short tutorial on how to create a digital flipbook using Publuu. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.